So we're just about ready for action here. We have our new digs kind of set up already. We've got our work bays over here, and this section was set up to do engines and transmissions and demonstrations and stuff like that. Speaking of demonstrations, so at least once a week, twice a week, somebody comments, makes a dumb comment about blowing myself up with my cigarette and gasoline. Like, oh, don't smoke around that carburetor. You better put that cigarette out. Guys, you don't think I know what I'm doing? Listen, I've been engulfed in flames so many times, I don't even react to the woof anymore, okay? If I didn't have that good greasy Italian skin, I would look like Freddy Krueger. I'm no dummy. I know what catches fire and what doesn't catch fire. You cannot light gasoline with a cigarette, no matter how you try. No matter. So, here's some straight from the pump, unleaded. Oh, it's one of these modern cans. You're gonna have to put a little hole in that. So, straight from the pump unleaded. And just to show that it's the real deal, here. Boom. So, let's say I want to put my cigarette out. Okay, I would take a drag over it. Nice and hot, and I would squirt gas on it, and the cigarette would go out. It's still burning now. Vapors? I don't know, let's see. Get some gas. Look nice and hot. Vapors, nothing, see? Look, I'll even take a drag right over the top of it. No fire. You cannot light gasoline with a cigarette. I'm sure in some abstract, scientific, crazy way, it could be done in laboratory conditions. In 40-something years of doing this, I've never seen it, I've never heard of it. Chill, I'm not gonna blow myself up. Until tomorrow.